everyone, and welcome to this week's Flash Friday finance update for, is this the last week in March?
No.
We're halfway through the month. Okay. I'm Louise from the Property Education Company. Thank you for joining me, and I'm delighted to welcome the wonderful Penny Morton, who's got her lovely sign there for Beers and Morton in the background. That's so cute because Penny loves a beer. Now, Penny, what's been happening in our world with loans at the moment?
Well, what hasn't been happening? We're seeing everything. A lot of refinances at the moment. I think people like to take advantage of lower rates, and there's a lot of rebates as well out there.
Well,
I guess
that's interesting. We've just seen some of the lenders increase the size of their rebates. So they're paying rebates far bigger than they pay us to do the loans. So it just goes to show some of the lenders are quite desperate for business. It's interesting because it must be reflective of what's going on there.
definitely, yeah. And a lot of first home buyers as well, which is good. Good to see them getting into the market, and it's nice to help them as well. It feels good.
Does feel good. It's really satisfying helping people
Yeah.
get into their home. We love that. We're also helping a lot of upgraders. So if people want help looking to upgrade what their current home is, now's a great time. So what's happening with interest rates? What have we seen?
Everything, you name it, we've seen it. It seems like the variable rates are going down. So there's really cheap variable rates out there, but the fixed rates are going up.
Right. And with the rates on offer, what is the cheapest products that are available at the moment?
Probably a basic variable product. You can get them as low as 1.9 something, around 2%, very low rates. And what a basic product means is that there's no offset account linked to it, but they'll have a redraw facility, which, I use both actually. I've got a redraw facility on my home loan, and it's great. It brings down my loan balance and it all looks really good. Yeah, there's no fee usually for that, so it's a good option.
Yeah, a loan with no fees. Quite a few of the lenders are actually, over more recent years, they've been using professional package fees where they charge you an annual fee no matter how many loans you have or what you're using. But quite a few of them seem to be going towards offering a basic loan, which has no fees at all, but no frills. So it's sort of like the cheap basic product, but that seems to work really well for a lot of people too.
Yeah, and it works really well for me, to be honest. I just transfer money out of the redraw if I need, and yeah, I like it.
Yeah, good. Great to hear. And so what helps people get a loan through quickly? We often talk about who are our ideal clients, Penny. Now, let's line up and tell them which of our clients has done this the best.
We're going to name and shame, are we?
No. Good idea, maybe. I think we need an award for the best client of the year. That might be those who respond the quickest.
It's like employee of the month, but customer of the month.
Okay. All right. I think we can implement that. We might try.
Personally, I find the process can be quite overwhelming. We ask for a million different things, and we're not asking because we want them or it's fun. It's because the bank need it. So I think the best type of client would be somebody that replies with everything. So gives us exactly what we need. The information's not too old, so the pay slips are current, things like that. We're not asking for fun, we're asking because we need it.
Yeah, totally. And when we ask for something that's within the last 6 weeks or 4 weeks, or we need exactly 6 months worth, we don't mean like 90 days. It actually has to be a full 3 months or 6 months. So you've really got to watch the dates, because you've got to understand in the background at the bank, there are tick the box people checking that we've actually complied. And it's all part of compliance, which we're all over with the bid at the moment, which is the best interest duty. So we're trying really hard to fit that off. So if you want to be our client of the month, and that's a great thing. So next week we will announce the first client of the month for the year, maybe even a client of the quarter. So, because I reckon at times we'll struggle to find one. So, clients, we really need you to step up and send your documents quickly and easily, and then make your decisions quickly, and then we will reward those who are prompt. That'd be awesome. Thank you, Penny. Is there anything else you'd finally like to tell or share with anyone?
No, thank you. It's been great.
Have a great week. Thanks all.